guys, welcome to my channel. If this is the first time watching, a warm welcome to you. Now look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, there's a bell at the side. If you click on that, you will get a notification each time I upload a video. Unwanted hair. Today I have a wonderful treatment for you. This is a hair remover. Now this treatment is a very fast, a very effective treatment that's going to help you to get rid of your unwanted hair. Whether you're trying to get rid of your hair under your arm, your pubic area, your mouth area, right around the chin right here, or basically anywhere on your body, your arms, your legs. This is the time of the year when a lot of people shave their legs. This treatment is for you. Now here is the treatment, and I whip this up in the kitchen. It's gonna take about 10 minutes, and you can use this treatment as often as you want. Now, a wonderful thing about this treatment is that it is gonna have the hair slowly disappearing, okay? So after you remove the hair the first time, it's gonna grow back, but eventually it's gonna get very finer, very thinner, and before you notice, the hair will be completely gone. So if you're interested in this wonderful hair remover that you can whip up in less than 10 minutes, then continue watching this video. For this recipe, we're gonna use some baking soda, we're gonna use some aloe vera gel, and we're gonna use some turmeric powder, and we're gonna use some orange juice. So first thing we want to do, we want to prepare the orange. We're just gonna cut open the orange, get rid of the seeds. Here we have a pot, and we're just gonna squeeze a half our orange juice in the pot. Squeeze it. Remove the seeds. And this is about a quarter cup of orange juice. Next, I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now we're going to mix this. Next, we're going to place this on the stove top. We're not adding any water. We're just going to keep stirring until it started to boil. You can also choose to do this in a double broiler. Just keep stirring. And as you can see, it's starting to get frothy. And this is exactly how it should be. Started also to get a little brown. And this is about ready. So now I'm going to remove it from the stove and I'm going to set it aside to cool. And this should take about 3 to 4 minutes, okay? Now once this is cool, this is what it's going to look like. So here it is. We're going to give it a stir. It's supposed to be this thick. Next, we're going to take a pinch of turmeric powder, just a pinch, not a lot. We're going to add it to this, and we're going to mix it in. Now you're only going to mix the turmeric powder after it is cooled. If you're using fresh turmeric, grate the turmeric, add it to the orange juice and the baking soda before you put it on the stove. Okay? And now our treatment is ready. And this is what you're going to use wherever it is on your body that you have unwanted hair. And this can be stored in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Okay? So to use the treatment, you're just going to take a little. You're going to apply it to wherever you have unwanted hair, and you're going to rub it in. And as you can see, this is what it looked like. Just rub it in, and you're going to find that it have a lot of fine granules. That's good. So you want to just rub this on the area you're getting rid of the hair from vigorously. Add a little more. And then you're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes on that area, and then you're going to rinse off. Now you can choose to use this every day on the area you're trying to get rid of the hair from for best result. In no time, your hair is going to be gone, and they're going to basically take forever to grow back. If you continue to use this treatment, eventually your hair will stop growing, okay? Now let's take a look at the ingredient. The first ingredient, baking soda. Baking soda is known to remove hair. It is natural and contains no chemicals. It is also safe for removing hair from the sensitive area of the body, such as the pubic and armpits. Baking soda does not cause darkening of the skin. Also, it does not cause issues such as itching and irritation on your skin. Baking soda also helps to slow hair growth and also gets the hair finer and thinner, which eventually prevents unwanted hair from growing back. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera helps by naturally hydrating your skin and healing it after the hair removal. It has vitamin A, B, C, and E and is an excellent home remedy to soothe irritated skin. When mixed with other ingredients, it helps to soften the hair on the body, therefore creating easy hair removal. Orange. Orange contains vitamin C, which acts as a brilliant agent in exfoliating and cleansing the skin for easy hair removal. When mixed with other ingredients, it can help to effectively get rid of unwanted hair. The citric acid in orange also helps to brighten the skin after hair has been removed. Turmeric. Turmeric, when used as a scrub on the skin, helps remove the hair from its roots. It helps to inhibit the hair growth with its amazing properties. Regular usage will discourage the hair growth on your skin. Turmeric also have antibacterial, antimicrobial, and anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties that helps to treat skin problems like acne and other blemishes, and also reduce redness and inflammation. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video. Also, I have a show, guys, every Sunday at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is Sunday Chit Chat with khichibeauty. There you could interact with me. The show is live. You get to ask whatever question you have, and we basically just talk about things. So don't miss it, 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Sunday. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.